Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Lynn, and I'm going to talk about how I got out of living paycheck to paycheck and how I'm no longer stressed about retirement because I'm single and I don't have anybody to back me up, and I was living paycheck to paycheck. I was struggling, tired of seeing my friends all going having fun on the weekends, and I couldn't go because I couldn't afford it. I was literally living paycheck to paycheck without anything extra to save. I would look at my 401k, I would look at my retirement savings and go, oh my gosh, I'm never going to make it. I'm never going to, I see friends that are older than me, they're starting to retire, and I see them living life, having fun, going on adventures, traveling, seeing the world. I want that. And I look at my retirement account and it says, no, Lynn, you're gonna have to work until the day you die. And so that was not acceptable to me, right? So I made a change, because if I did nothing, then nothing would change. So this was me last July. And so I started looking for something online. I did not want to go get another job. I already had a full-time job. I didn't want to trade my time for dollars. I wanted to do something where the dollars would work for me. So I started looking online and I saw, digital marketing, letter writing, subscription-based businesses. I did them all. But I recently came across something called High Ticket Purpose, and it is in a league of its own. It is literally a done for me, a business in a box, and I'm going to explain everything on how it all works. I want to give you one little disclaimer first, because it sounds like a pyramid, but it is not, okay? When they were creating this, in order to make the FTC happy and it not be a pyramid scheme, we had to create a low point of entry, okay? And so that's where this $15 affiliate fee comes from, okay? $15. You can actually get started with this business for $15 a month. Do you get everything that I get? No. But it's a start. It's a way to get in the door and start making commissions. You can make $600 when you resell this system. Now, when you come in, oh gosh, my dog. I had to take the chicken away from the dog because I can't record a video with that chicken screaming in the background. Anyway, when you come in at full price, which right now is $997. $997 is good until November 1st. November 1st, the price is going up $500, okay? So if you're watching this and it is before November 1st, 2025, you're in luck. The full price is $997, okay? And I'm gonna break down what you get for $997 for a full investment, okay? You get 3 tiers of commissions when you resell this system. Well, let's talk about this system first and how freaking amazing it is, okay? You are literally getting a business that is done for you. I didn't have to do anything tech related. I have an entirely, I have a website that's built for me. I have my automations are running for me. All my socials are connected. My Facebook, my Instagram, all the socials, they are connected. I can go into this system, post one post, and it goes to all my socials all at once, immediately. Then the beauty of it is that it's automated. So when, now my dog has another squeaky toy. This is real life. Okay, so no squeaky toys, and I shut the door. You get an entirely done for you website built for you. And you don't have to just promote this system. If you have other offers, if you have other digital products that you want to promote, you can absolutely put them in your storefront. But you get this storefront done for you. You don't have to do it. Your funnels are created, okay? Your emails are all written for you. All your email automations are created for you for life. For life. I love this because I don't have time to sit and write emails. I don't have time to be connected to my phone to see if somebody comments, on my videos. When somebody comments on your videos, the system swoops in and takes care of them, gets them the information that they need, all while you are off living your life. where you're, at your full-time job, or, whatever you're doing. Me, I love motorcycles. Last week I was on the motorcycle all week. I didn't have time to be checking my phone 24/7 for somebody that commented my keyword. The system took care of everything for me. There's literally, oh gosh, this is the most amazing system ever. Okay, so then let's talk about the 3 tiers of income that you get on the system, okay? So when you resell this entirely done for you system, you make a $600 commission, but it doesn't stop there. When that person that you sold to makes a sale, when she sells or he sells to somebody, you make $100 off of that second tier, okay? But hang on, there is a third tier. You make another $100 from that third tier of income. These are people that you probably don't even know, and you are making an income from them, okay? Now, hang on, because it gets even more wild, okay? There is an optional software, okay? The software you're going to want. It houses all the automations, the email automations, the funnels, everything, okay? The software is $97 a month, okay? You're gonna pay that if you have a digital marketing course. You're gonna pay that with the Stand Store anyway. Theirs is $99 a month, okay? So you have this software that's $97 a month, but when you sell your first tier to somebody this software, you're gonna make $30. But hang on, it's monthly reoccurring income. Every time they pay their $97, you make $30 reoccurring monthly income, okay? But there's 3 tiers on the software too, okay? The second tier, you're gonna make $10 a month, okay? And the third tier is $5 a month. It's gonna take a little bit of time to grow your team, but once you grow your team, your income potential is going to grow and grow and grow every single month because of that $30, $10, and $5 monthly reoccurring income, right? And it's going to grow with the others because the $600 and the $100 and the $100 commission, they're going to grow from people that you don't even know. If you get a really big rock star on your team underneath you in the first 2 tiers, you can make $100, $100, $100 every time that they make a sale. It is amazing, amazing. So I've kind of explained everything, but there's nothing better than listening to Kendra Smith. She is the creator of this system. This is her project, this is her baby. She created all this. She built all this for us, okay? This is her dream. She is locking arms with celebrities with this system, okay? We have opportunity calls every Tuesday night, 8 p.m. Central, okay? And she will sit and she will talk about this product. And for you to hear me talk about it, that's one thing. But for you to hear her talk about it, it's a whole nother level. And I would love to send you an invite to the opportunity calls on Tuesday. So how do you get more information? Okay, in the link and the comments below, I am going to put my link on there for you to get all the information that you need, okay? And if you want to make a comment and say, hey, I would love to come to the opportunity call, okay? I need your email. Send me your email and I will get that to you. And yeah, anyway, if you have any questions, put them in the chat. I would love to know what your thoughts are. Okay, have a great day. Bye.